There are lots of bike repair stands you can pick from. They all have different things about them, such as good stuff and how much they cost. I looked at many of them, read what people said about them, and made a list of the best ones from good brands. After all that looking, I found these bike repair stands are helpful for you. If you want to know how much they cost in more details, just look at what I wrote below. So, let's start talking about them now. Number 1. CXWX Seat Bike Repair Stand. The CXWX Seat Bike Repair Stand, RS100, is a high-quality maintenance rack designed for both shop and home use. Constructed from durable, lightweight aluminum alloy, this stand ensures longevity and easy portability. Its robust frame can securely hold bicycles of various sizes, making it ideal for a wide range of repair and maintenance tasks. The RS100 features height adjustability, allowing you to work on your bike at the most comfortable level. With a quick-release clamp, it provides a firm grip on your bike without damaging the frame, ensuring stability during repairs. The 360-degree rotating clamp offers unparalleled access to every part of your bike, enhancing convenience and efficiency. This stand is designed for ease of use, with a simple assembly process and foldable design for compact storage. Its stable base, with non-slip rubber feet, guarantees a secure setup on different surfaces. Whether you're a professional mechanic or an enthusiastic cyclist, the CXWX Seat Bike Repair Stand, RS100, is an essential tool that combines functionality, durability, and user-friendly features to make bike maintenance a breeze. Number 2. Bikehand Bike Repair Stand. Introducing the Bikehand Bike Repair Stand for maintenance, an essential tool for any cycling enthusiast. This height-adjustable rack is designed for convenience and efficiency, making bike maintenance a breeze. With its quick-release clamp, securing your bicycle is fast and easy, allowing you to get to work immediately. The stand is constructed from durable, high-quality materials, ensuring stability and longevity. Its adjustable height feature accommodates bikes of various sizes, offering optimal positioning for all repair tasks. The stand also features a 360-degree rotating clamp, providing full access to every part of your bike, and a telescoping frame that adjusts from 42 to 75, catering to different user preferences. Rubber-coated clamps protect your bike's finish, while the sturdy tripod base ensures maximum stability. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to transport and store, making it perfect for home use or bringing to races and events. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a cyclist, the Bikehand Bike Repair Stand for maintenance is your go-to solution for all your bike repair needs. Number 3. Yahidex Steel Leg. The Yahidex Steel Leg Bike Repair Stand is a robust and versatile solution for bicycle maintenance. Designed for both amateur and professional cyclists, this stand is built with heavy-duty steel, ensuring durability and stability during repairs. Its adjustable height feature allows for convenient access to different parts of the bike, reducing strain and enhancing precision. The stand boasts a 360-degree rotating clamp that securely holds the bike in place, accommodating a wide range of frame sizes and styles. This rotation feature ensures easy reach to all angles, facilitating comprehensive maintenance tasks. The clamp is lined with soft rubber, protecting your bike's finish from scratches and damage. For added convenience, the stand includes a magnetic tool tray, keeping your tools organized and within reach while you work. The foldable design allows for easy storage and transport, making it an excellent choice for home garages, workshops, and even outdoor repairs. With the Yahidex Steel Leg Bike Repair Stand, maintaining your bicycle becomes a hassle-free and efficient process, ensuring your ride stays in optimal condition. Number 4. Westbiking Bike Repair Stand. The Westbiking Bike Repair Stand is a robust and versatile solution for home mechanics and biking enthusiasts. With a maximum weight capacity of 85 pounds, this adjustable and foldable workstand is designed to accommodate a wide range of bicycles. Its user-friendly quick-release system ensures easy setup and secure bike positioning, making maintenance tasks more efficient. Constructed with high-quality materials, the stand features a sturdy tripod base that provides excellent stability on various surfaces. The adjustable height allows for comfortable working positions, reducing strain during repairs. The foldable design ensures convenient storage and portability, making it perfect for home use or taking on the go. The Westbiking Bike Repair Stand is ideal for routine maintenance, repairs, and adjustments. It includes a 360-degree rotating clamp that securely holds your bike in place, allowing for comprehensive access to all parts of the bicycle. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a casual rider, this workstand offers reliability, ease of use, and professional-grade performance, ensuring your bike remains in top condition. Number 5. Sportneer Bike Repair Stand. The Sportneer Bike Repair Stand offers a versatile and efficient solution for home bicycle maintenance. Designed with convenience in mind, it features height adjustability and a 360 degrees rotatable clamp to provide easy access to every part of your bike. This stand supports up to 60 pounds of weight, making it suitable for a wide range of bicycles, from lightweight road bikes to sturdy mountain bikes. Included with the stand is a magnetic tool tray, ensuring that your essential tools and parts are securely held within reach during repairs. Its quick-release mechanism allows for swift adjustments and easy setup, accommodating various bike sizes and frame shapes effortlessly. When not in use, the stand folds compactly for convenient storage, making it ideal for home garages or small workshops. Constructed with durable materials, it offers stability and reliability throughout your repair sessions. Whether you're performing routine maintenance or tackling more extensive repairs, the Sportneer Bike Repair Stand provides a stable platform and ergonomic design to enhance your bicycle mechanic experience at home.